Your coat still hangs by the door, like you might come back for it. I still set out 2 cups, then I stare at the second one. The house makes room for your name, even when I don't. And I try to sleep it off, but the silence knows my shape. Every little thing you left keeps pulling me away. Come back, I can't say goodbye. Come back, I still need your side. If love was a room, then I'd lock myself in. Come back, and break me again. Your message sits unread, like a match in my pocket. I walk past your side of the bed, like a line I won't cross. The mirror learns my face, but it don't know my eyes. And I try to breathe it in like it's something I can't hold, but the hardest part of losing you is all the space you own. Come back, I can't say goodbye. Come back, I still need your side. If love was a room, then I locked myself in. Come back, and break me again. If you ever miss this place, there's a light still on for you. There's a dent beside my heart that only you could move through. I don't want forever, I just want one more try. Come back, I can't say goodbye. Come back, I still need your side. If love was a room, then I locked myself in. Come back, and break me again.